What's up everyone? So I'm inside my Shenzhen Edo 2025 and look at this screen. Actually it's a cover to protect from the sun, and here in Riyadh usually it gets quite hot in the day, and this front screen, the windshield, this is what's actually absorbing most of the radiations of coming from the sun, because you see there we have the black this dashboard, but I bought this one from Temu. It cost me like 20 Real or something, and I also bought some other stuff, some shoes, and some stuff is back in my trunk. And well, the thing is that it seems effective. Yes, before I was using this one cover that I put outside, but anyways this also seems fine. And now I'm going to home after work. It's almost 3:30 and it's time to leave. What's up people? So it's a Saturday and I'm leaving work. It's a work day for some people in Saudi Arabia and Gulf, and a weekend for some other people. For me it was a work day. It has been a very good one, alhamdulillah, and I'm hoping that the streets will also be very calm. Right now the area that I am in is Sharafia here in Riyadh, and I'm now gonna go to Muhammadiyah. Usually I go to gym and the fitness time, that's where I go, and I've been going to this one branch near the King Saud University on the Prince Turki Street. And well, the thing is that today I would want to work on some of my videos on some other channels, so I have to make use of the time. I'm leaving at 3:30 because I come early in the morning. There's another Nissan Patrol coming and we have to give it way, so that's what we did. And the guy thanked, sort of, he did a gesture. That's very kind of him. And well, the thing is that we have to drive safe. Everyone should remain safe, and no one should be harmed from our actions, and we shouldn't be harmed by the others. So that's usually how it should be. And by the way, strong wind is blowing outside and the temperature it's also high. See the trees, there's more wind outside today. And well, we are at this traffic light. It's red. It's red. I could go from the right and from Takhasusi Street, but the thing is that this road is fine. I might go from the Prince Turki Street, so that's fine. That's decent. Because on the Takhasusi Street I would be facing some traffic signals. So well, it's gonna take some time over here on the traffic signal, so I'll meet you in a bit. So it seems like the traffic light is gonna turn green now after some wait, and in front of me there's a Shenzhen, I think this is Unit 360T. The interior of that car is also really good. By the way, if you didn't know already, I'm driving a Shenzhen Edo 2025 Shenzhen Edo Plus, and it's a very comfortable sedan. And when I came to Saudi Arabia and when I started to look into cars and what I was gonna buy, so this was something that caught my eye and I went for it, alhamdulillah. Now it's green and we'll continue straight. Let me know down in the comments if you have driven in Riyadh or if you live in Riyadh. What do you think about the traffic? Today it's a Saturday afternoon, so things are fairly decent, not much traffic, and by the way, the next traffic signal also turned green. Let's see if we can reach. No, we cannot, so we'll have to stop over here. So in the meanwhile, let's talk about life. How's your life going? What's keeping you busy? For me, it's mostly work, and other than work, it's stuff that I do on the side, running these YouTube channels and all this. But anyways, we all should find some hobbies, some passions to keep us busy. And well, those passions, we need to understand actually the human psychology. And if you do, then well, the thing is that you should have some intellectual passions, hobbies, or you can have some physical passions or hobbies. You also need to have what else you need to have? Physical, mental, and there's a couple more that I read somewhere. But anyways, your hobbies, and yeah, social hobbies, yeah, like sports or that sort of stuff. So well, again, we shall stop here on the red. No need to cross when on red. So it's gonna take the other side some time as well, because you see there's some delay and then the other side signal starts. So coming back to our point, all these hobbies, once we actually, one hobby could cover two of the topics. Let's say the intellectual and social. Let's say you play chess, you go to a chess club. It's a social hobby as well, and it's a intellectual hobby as well. And let's say you play sports, that's also physical and also social. So that's how you need to plan your hobbies and stuff. And well, it the signal is green. So now, since we talked about all this stuff, let me know in the comments, what are your hobbies? And also do let me know if you are enjoying these sorts of videos. I am actually putting a lot of effort, because the thing is that after long days at work, it's really I would say quite an effort to make these videos, then edit them and then post them later, and to actually just show up in front of the camera. In some videos I show up in front of the camera, and some I am talking from behind. But after long tiring days at work, this really is sometimes exhausting. But what drives me the most is that I keep on making this stuff, and it intrigues you people as well. You people watch, you people comment related to Riyadh, the driving, traffic and all this one. I think you people also like watching these sorts of videos. And I personally believe that if you have momentum in life, you should continue with that momentum. You need to make sure that you get the best out of that momentum. So I am actually looking to continue making more and more content related to my life, my matters and all this one. So I have this channel where I record my drives. I also have a channel where I post like the absolute best of the best experiences. The name of the channel is Talha's POV as in point of view. Then I have another channel, Raw Logs by Talha. It's like absolute raw vlogging from my life. So by the way, we are now going on the Prince Turki Road, and now we will have to take an exit from here. The exit will lead us to Aruba Road. And from then Aruba Road, we are gonna go on to the Takhasusi Street, and from then we reach on to Muhammadiyah. Usually on these turns you have to be very careful, and you need to see if there's some cars coming out. this car will turn right, so we need to just switch the lane. You see, like this one. On my right side, they have this building for Sadaya. It's a Saudi Data and AI Authority. The building is in construction, actually. Under construction. That's what I should say. Now we are on Tariq Aruba Road. You see on the right, some more land for Sadaya. The speed limit of this road is 60 and we shall drive 60. And this is a car market on the right here on Aruba Road. Usually I have not gotten any sort of service from here, but they also sell car parts and accessories, so I get my car fragrances from here. It's a good place. There are a few, or should I say quite many shops, and if you find something good at one, then you might be able to bargain the price, because the shopkeepers know that if you don't buy from them, you might find the same item at another shop and they might cut down the price for you. So, well, it's a convenience place to buy car accessories, but still the car place in that car market in Batha, that is like the biggest, I think, here. And then there's also Sinaya. There's also one in Sinaya. So quite a few places actually. Now we are on the Takhasusi Street. I was gonna say Prince Turki, but obviously this is not Prince Turki. We are on Takhasusi Street. Far in the distance I can see the largest tower of the King Abdullah Financial District. The speed limit of the road is 80. You see on the left there's a sign for 80, and then there's construction work going on ahead, so it gradually decreases down. Although the road speed limit is still 80, but these signs, they are like installed by the construction companies. See guys, almost no traffic here in Riyadh on a Saturday, but at night there will be more traffic because people will come out to enjoy their last day of the weekend. So we can expect to have more traffic in the evening. And gladly for us, the signal turned green. Wow, that is interesting. Let's hope we make through it. If you live in Riyadh, let me know what sort of car or vehicle you drive. On my left, we have a green Land Cruiser Defender. Oh, what am I saying? Land Cruiser Defender? Land Rover Defender. Oh, I'm like really tired from work. It's a Land Rover Defender. In green, I thought it would look quite interesting, but I think the one in black, it takes the lead. You tell me down in the comments, what do you think? I've seen Land Rover Defender in silver, I've seen in green, in white and black itself, matte black. If you were to select it, what would be your choice? I'm gonna turn into Muhammadiyah, and with this the journey will come to an end. Thank you everyone for watching till here. All of you all are so amazing, and I hope these roads bring you memories. And well, I'm gonna cut off the video here. Thank you so much. Have a very good day. Stay blessed.